Have you ever wondered why we say an apple but a university, or why the sun is always the sun? Don't worry, this video will clear your all doubts about articles in English. What are articles? The articles are teeny words, a, an and the, that we use before nouns, but they play a big role in making sentences meaningful and clear. Without articles, sentences sound incomplete or confusing. For example, I show cat. Doesn't that feel odd? It should be I show a cat. Let's learn why. There are two kinds of articles, definite articles and indefinite articles. A and an are the indefinite articles. We use a and an when we are talking about something general or not specific. Rules number 1. A used before consonant sound. For example, a car is parked outside. A boy is playing. Remember, it's about the sound, not the spelling. For example, a university is correct because university sounds like YU. University, which starts with a consonant sound. Rules number 2. N used before vowel sounds. For example, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. She had an idea during the meeting. Now, definite article. That is the definite article. We use the when we are talking about specific or unique. Rules number 1. When the noun is already known. For example, I saw a dog. The dog was barking loudly. She bought a book. The book is about history. Rules number 2. For unique or one-of-a-kind things. For example, the sun is shining brightly today. The earth is our home planet. Rules number 3. With superlatives. For example, he is the best player on the team. This is the most beautiful place I have ever visited. Did you know the is pronounced differently depending on the sound of the next word? It's the before vowel sounds like the apple, and the before consonant sounds like the car. Let's play a quick game called Spot the Error. I will show some sentences with mistakes and you have to find what's wrong. Ready? Let's play. First sentence. He bought a laptop yesterday. Listen carefully to the first sound of the word after the article. He bought a laptop yesterday. It should be a laptop because laptop starts with a consonant sound. Second sentence. We saw moon last night and it was beautiful. What do we use for something unique? It should be the moon because the moon is one of a kind. Third sentence. She wants to visit a Eiffel Tower someday. Think about the sound of the first letter of Eiffel. It should be an Eiffel Tower because Eiffel starts with a vowel sound. Fourth sentence. The cats are loyal animals. Are we talking about all cats or specific cats? It should be cats are loyal animals because we are talking about all cats in general. Now it's your turn. I will give you two tricky sentences. Write your answers in the comments below. 1. I saw dash unique bird in the forest. Dash Earth is a beautiful planet. Let's see if you can get them both right. I will reflect your answers in the comments. Use a and n for general nouns depending on the sound. Use the for specific or unique things. Let's see the table. A used for general and consonant sounds. For example, a car, a boy. And n used for general and vowel sounds. For example, an egg, an apple. And d used for specific or unique things. For example, the sun, the ocean. That's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget like, comment, share and subscribe. See ya in the next video.